if you want to learn the easiest way to track your misplaced or stolen Android device, you're on the right place. It's easy, quick, and free. With your Google open, type in the search bar for Google Dashboard. Now, click on the first option. Pay attention to this condition. To do this, you need to have access on your PC to the same Google account of the lost or stolen device. Once you're logged in into the right account, scroll down on this page until you find here on Other Google Services the Android Backups. Click here on the logo. By doing this, you will be redirected to the Google Find My Device option. And here I can see my phone model, I can see what net the device is using, and I can see the percentage of battery. Seeing the map, I can assure that is on the right location. Once you're on this page, click here on this information button, and here it is my device IMEI number. So here you can copy this IMEI number, and if you need it, report to any authorities or use it to block the device. But actually, you can do it more easily, blocking the device right away. And what you're gonna do is go in here on Erase Device. So you erase all content from the device and you will be unable to locate it. So clicking here on this option, if your phone is robbed or is on the wrong hands, or you just don't know who is the new owner of your phone, you can just click on this option and your bank account, your social media accounts, your credit card information, and anything that you had on your device, and you're gonna be safe. But make sure you're doing the right thing, because after your device has been erased, so after you put this option to go on, you won't be able to locate your phone. If the content helped you even a little bit, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. If you want to make a compliment, a suggestion, or you had any doubt about the process, please comment below. Bye!